I found myself sneaking away from the lecture hall and sneaking up into the old observation domes over the operating rooms. They still had a very old school operating theater, which we don't have today. But I was able to go up there and kind of play hooky and watch surgical cases and found that I was just really naturally drawn to that. Pediatric surgery is a subspecialty of general surgery. That's a little confusing because, we are general surgeons for pediatric patients. So patients all the way from premature infants up into college age and sometimes young adults. These times are not just difficult on the patient, although that's obviously the primary focus of our attention, but their whole families are really going through it with them. A lot of complex diseases in childhood really are complex diseases of the family unit. And I see a lot of parents go through times of stress and uncertainty and anxiety that, thank God, I never had to go through myself and my own family. It's made me appreciate the health of my children so much more, and it's made me appreciate the grace of parents who are able to get through these things and still maintain their own compassion. One of the nice things about pediatric surgery is usually, even in the complex cases, the outcomes are good. And when the outcomes are good, that's an entire life that's changed, an entire lifetime that's changed. So it's important for us to get them to look at the horizon and look down the road, and that is the same no matter what age our kids are at.